Good day to everyone. We are from UKQE3001 Excel, Section 7, Group 2. Today we would like to give a presentation about a program 3-hour workshops. So first of all, I would like to introduce my group member. The first group member is Bagis Midi Hussein. Second is Tengku Muhammad Khairul Awa bin Tengku Azam Shah, Mini Lamzisian, and also Shafira Nur Iza. So I would like to pass the next sessions to my group member Khairul.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I'm Karanwa. Today I will talk about the importance of this program regarding issues related to weaknesses that our selected UTM graduates attributes, and what the issues and why the issues are needed to be addressed. So for our selected attributes, which are three, the first one is thinking skill, the second one is communication skill, and the third one is the leadership and team working skills. So we will proceed with the first attribute, which is the thinking skills. So for the thinking skills, the issues are given below. Student lacks an important part of critical thinking, which is lacks how to select and evaluate resources available. Secondly, students fail to analyze solution efficiency based on limited resources available. And thirdly, students unable to identify ways to improve the solution based on based on the issues given. We need to address these issues as soon as possible in order to make sure that students should be able to adapt, react, and improving the solution accordingly based on critical thinking, resolving around problem solution. So for our next attribute is communication skill. Students have problems with comprehending about subjects whenever discussing with peers. Secondly, students fail to account for cultural differences in communication due to lack of info or knowledge about that culture. Thirdly, students have problem with committing full attention to the speaker, often distracted with mobile phone and others. Based on these issues, we need to make sure that issues are be addressed accordingly in order to be able to make sure that students are able to portray their thoughts perfectly. Alright, for our third attribute is leadership and team working skills. The first one is students have problems with decision making processes. The second is lack participation due to teammate fail to complete assignments or low energy. And the third one, students are unable to resolve conflicts due to heightened tension and personal attack. We need to address these issues available in order to make sure that students are able to take responsibility when given and act more professional during team working sessions. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Now I will continue with the detail of the program. As I said earlier, this activity name is 3-hour workshop, and the date that we choose to hold this program is on 20 February 2022. The objective of this program is to improve UTM student attributes. This is some of the activity background. The first one is participant will attend workshop in how to implement 3R such as reduce, reuse, and recycle. And this workshop will provide the skill to participant on how to create the product from a waste. And at the end of the workshop, they will divide it into a group. Each group will generate different products by using same material given, and they can create something from the item given to become something else, such as bottle to flower pot. The competition will be held for them to critical think and create their own product using waste.
Okay, the target participant of this program are UTM local student and UTM staff. The UTM local student can be from any faculty who can join this program, and for the invitation, there will be the program presenter and the alumni as guests. This is the tentative program. The program starts at 8 a.m. and at 4 to 5 p.m. And this is the financial statement. We will provide these things, and the total cost are 1652.5. Okay, and this is the monitoring and evaluation part. First, the committee will have to create the reporting template and timeline. And during the program, there will be the briefing and competition session, and all the activity must be included inside the report for evaluation. And after the program, the committee must post the activity, document the program, and calculate the use budget.
So I will continue the importance of this program, which will bring the benefit for students and also UTM. The first benefit is students are able to have the thinking skill because this program can provide the idea to the students. So the student can have a new idea to create a new product. The next is the scholarship. By joining this program, the student can get the information from the presentations and they will try to use it to create a new product. The third is the communication skill, because this program have the group work competitions, so the student can communicate with the group member to win the competitions. And next is the global citizens, because the waste is a big issue in our earth. So after they joining this program, they can know how serious of this kind of the issue they can bring to our earth. And the last is the leadership and teamworking skill. Same as the communication skill, the student able to lead the other group member and also teamworking to other group member to win the competitions. And conclusions, after joining these programs, the attributes can be gained by the student with the scholarship, global citizens, communication skill, thinking skill, and leadership and teamworking skills. That's all for our group. Thank you very much.